A cupcake's first recipe. Have you ever been so excited to get to the end of a project, like building with Legos or baking a cake, that you wanted to skip all the boring steps in the middle? In a warm and cozy kitchen, a little cupcake in training was about to learn why every single step is a secret, magical ingredient. Pip was a little cupcake liner, and today was the most important day of his life, the day he would become a real cupcake. He was going to follow the ancient magical recipe from the great book of baking. He was so excited. He dreamed of being a beautiful vanilla cupcake with a big fluffy swirl of pink frosting and rainbow sprinkles. The Great Book of Baking, a wise old book with a flour-dusted cover, opened to the first page. "Welcome, little one," its papery voice whispered. "To create a masterpiece, you must follow every step. First, you must gather your ingredients, the flour, the sugar, the eggs." Pip was too excited to listen. "Flour, sugar, eggs, I know," he said, already hopping around the kitchen. He grabbed the bag of flour, but in his haste, he didn't measure it. He just dumped a big pile in the bowl. He cracked an egg, but a piece of the shell fell in. "Oh well," he thought, "no one will notice." The book tried to continue. "Now for the most important part," it rustled. "You must stir the batter slowly and gently, 100 times." 100 times, Pip gasped. "That's so boring. I have a better idea." He grabbed the electric mixer and turned it on to the highest speed. Whirr! Flour and batter flew all over the kitchen, covering everything in a sticky white mess. But the batter was mixed in 10 seconds flat. "See?" Pip said proudly. "Much faster." He poured the lumpy batter into his liner and hopped into the oven. When he came out, he wasn't the magnificent cupcake he had dreamed of. He was a disaster. He was flat on one side, burnt on the other, and he had a crunchy piece of eggshell right in the middle. His frosting wouldn't sit properly on his lopsided top. He was a wobbly, messy, and very sad little cupcake. He looked at the Great Book of Baking, his paper liner drooping. "I don't understand," he said. "I used all the ingredients." The old book's pages turned gently. "Ah, but a recipe is not just a list of things, little one," it whispered. "It is a map. Every step, even the slow, boring ones, is a secret instruction that helps the magic happen. The measuring makes you strong, the slow stirring makes you fluffy, the patience makes you perfect. You cannot get to the wonderful end of the map without taking the important steps in the middle." Pip looked at his burnt, lumpy self. He had wanted to get to the end so fast that he had completely missed the journey. He had missed the magic. The next day he decided to try again. This time he listened. He carefully measured the flour. He slowly stirred 100 times, feeling the batter turn smooth and silky. He was patient. And when he came out of the oven this time, he was perfect. He was a tall golden vanilla cupcake. The pink frosting sat on his head like a beautiful royal crown, and the rainbow sprinkles glittered like jewels. He was exactly what he had dreamed of being. He learned that the secret to any great creation isn't a shortcut. It's the love, patience, and care you put into every single step along the way. And while the little cupcake learned that every step in a recipe is a secret ingredient, a little firefly in a moonlit meadow was learning a very different lesson about what happens when you feel left out of the fun. Subscribe to Storiella so you don't miss his sparkling adventure.